What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create visually appealing emails for your e-commerce brand. Really quick, if you don't know who I am, my name is Noah Franco, and over the past 12 months, I've been helping 6- and 7-figure brands scale their email marketing system, helping them generate around 30 to 50% of their total revenue from email. So in this video, again, I'm just going to be showing you how exactly you can do that by designing visually appealing emails. So let's get right into it. And the first thing I want to go over here is exactly what is an effective email design for a brand. So we can think of this as being split into 3 different parts. So we have the hero section, which is also known as above the fold. We have the bridge section, and then we have a product section. Now, this is going to be the winning design for nearly every email campaign. And breaking this down one by one, we'll start with the hero section. So really inside of this section, it's supposed to be quick. We want to make the reader understand what the email is about in the first 3 seconds. So we want to keep it very, very simple, very minimal, but very punchy at the same time. So all we are going to include inside the hero section is just a hero image. Now, this can be a product image or a lifestyle image. That's a test you can run. We want to have a header. Now, the header is just going to explain a little bit what the email is about. So or styles to wear for fall, for example, right? Or that's a really weak headline, but you get the point. It's just kind of a brief overview of what the email is about. And then we have a subheader, body copy. Now, this is optional depending on what your email is about. If it's more sales-oriented, you probably wouldn't have this. But if it's more educational, you would include a subheader or body copy, and then a clear call to action. Now, it's very crucial that we have this above the fold because we want them to read and be able to see a CTA right away to click onto our site, again, within that first 3 seconds. So then we move on and we have the bridge section. Now, for the bridge section, really, the main thing we want to focus on here is just going more in depth on what the email is about. So here we can show things like charts. We can add a couple of punchy sentences, just pretty much, again, going more in depth on the topic of the email. And then we want to hit them with another call to action, getting them to view the site. So if you don't know who Alex Hormozi is, he says it, we need to be reminded more than we need to be taught. So again, just reminding them of another call to action. And then we move down to the product section. Now here's where we want to showcase bestsellers, or we want to give them extra categories to shop by, because not everyone is going to resonate with what we are going to show inside of an email. So we want to make sure that we still give them an option to shop, whether that is splitting it up by men sections or women sections, whether that's splitting it up if you're a supplement brand, things like maybe capsules, supplements, and liquids. Give them 3 different options to shop by, and that'll really capture those final people at the bottom that didn't really resonate with the original image or the original product of what you were showing in the email. They can still have a chance to shop. So really quick, I just want to also show you the way you can kind of structure these emails to kind of break the visual hierarchy that humans are, wired to kind of look at. So let's go up here really quick. So in this here, pretty much these are going to be the design pattern breaks. Now, over here on the left, we have the reverse triangle. Now, I did get this from Max Sturdivant, so shout out to you. But this is going to be what converts really well because it's funneling their eyes down into a funnel. So they have a header. Your header is always going to be big and bold. Then you have body copy, which is also a subheader in some cases. And then your call to action. So it's pretty much wide up top, and then it funnels them down into here. And then so again, just kind of funnels their eyes down into what you want them to do, which is the call to action. So that's really how all your copy should be structured. You want it to go big all the way to small. And that'll really create a nice pattern break for your customers. Now, these other 2, the zigzag pattern here, this is what is going to be how you kind of want to structure sections of the email, such as bridge sections or even bestseller sections. So we want to put one image on the left, then one image on the right, offset them like this, and then we have left and then right again. So just kind of breaking that pattern, making it look like a zigzag. Now, the stacked pattern, this works really well with more like educational content. So for example, here in square 1, we can have an icon, and then on square 2 here, we can have more about what that icon is about. So if you have a, maybe something about your brand, it has free shipping in it, we can put the free shipping icon as box 1, and then next to box 1, we can have, the actual free shipping, and just kind of going in the details. So free shipping on all orders of 50% off. And then same here with 3, maybe we can do third-party testing. If you're a supplement brand, we can do that little logo. I'm not exactly sure what the company is that does that third-party testing. And then number 4, we can just add copy, have it be copy of that icon. So again, this is more of a stacked pattern, and this works really well with educational emails. It's something that we've tested over the 7-figure brands that I've been working with, and it's actually converting very, very well. So with that being said, very important to have your email designs following this structure here, and then making sure that you put pattern breaks inside of the email. So if you did like this video, this is a real short one today, but if you did like it, I'd appreciate if you can drop a comment on maybe some other things that you want to see, maybe even leave a like, subscribe if you found this useful. I do post 3 times a week on YouTube, so definitely go check out some other videos if you are interested. With that being said, I'll also leave my 12 free trainings on e-commerce email marketing in the description that you can go and grab. You get it right away, no cost. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.